Dear students, in this online class, we are going to study about meaning of banking and types of banks. Bank is a financial institution which accepts money from the public, means from the customers, for the purpose of repayment of that money to the concerned deposit holder or according to his instruction as and when he made it. That is what usually bank does. Next we are going to study about types of banks. So here there are four types. First one, commercial banks are there. Second, cooperative banks are there. Third, specialized banks are there. And fourth one, central bank is there. Now we shall see one by one these types of banks. First one, commercial banks. So these are the financial institutions dealing in money, and these banks are governed by Indian Banking Regulation Act of 1949. According to that, these banks accepting deposit of money from the public for the purpose of lending that amount. These commercial banks are to be studied under two heads. That means commercial banks are going to be further studied under two heads. That is, public sector banks are there and private sector banks are there. In case of public sector banks, means public sector banks are those banks in which government has a major stakeholder. These banks like SBI, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Union Bank of India, these are what some example come under public sector. On the other hand, private sector banks. These private sector banks are owned, managed and controlled by private people. I mean private promoters. These private sector banks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now we can go for the second classification, that is cooperative banks. Cooperative banks. Cooperative banks are governed by the provisions of State Cooperative Societies Act. These banks are going to provide cheap credit facilities to their members. That means members of these cooperative banks, they are going to avail finance, means loan, at a cheaper rate of interest. Third one, specialized banks. These are considered what specialized banks. That means these specialized banks are going to help for some specific task, means some specific purposes, like import export bank of India. This bank helps for import of goods as well as export of goods. That means helping for foreign trade promotion, right? So next, these banks provide financial help to industries and for some heavy turkey projects and foreign trade. The fourth one, central bank. So this bank is considered as banker for all commercial banks. That means this controls and regulates the activities of all the commercial banks of the country. This bank is also called as what? Government bank or government banker. This controls and coordinates the currency and credit policies of a country. In our India, the central bank is what? Reserve Bank of India. This is what about classification of banks. Thank you.